Good morning, fam. Good morning. Good morning, G.
Good
Good morning,
morning,
D.
Jose.
Morning,
How you
Tough
feeling,
Love.
bro?
Another day clocking in and clocking out. Can't wait. Can't wait. Can't wait.
I feel that one. I feel that one. I'm excited. I'm excited. Good morning, Smooth. Good morning, Legacy Market Say. Can't even talk this morning. Good morning, Legacy Market Makers. Good morning, YouTube. We're back once again. It's Friday. We're going to base hit today so that way we can go into the weekend green and enjoy our weekend. Good morning, Tim. Good morning, Skunks. Hopefully you guys ready. We got news at 10 o'clock today, gentlemen. News at 10 o'clock today. So we're gonna be careful up until that 10 o'clock time frame. I want to see me personally if we're gonna be chopping till 10, because sometimes when we got 10 o'clock news, the market will chop from 9:50 to 10 until that news comes out. So let's see what we get today, and we're just gonna be dialed. But I'm not pushing anything. I'm chillaxing, relaxing. If the move's there, we're taking it. If it's not there, we're not taking it. No FOMO, no over trading, no revenge trading today, and no greed. That's the biggest one. No greed today. We're going to take what the market gives us and keep it moving. Oh, man. Oh, man. Anyone have anything fun they're doing this weekend? Any big plans for any of you guys for this weekend? You know, the weekends is the traders' playtime. Only taking A plus setups. Hey, A plus setups work. A plus setups do work. We kind of make it more difficult because we'll take B setups, C setups, even sometimes F setups. So A plus setups only. I like that. Sport weekend. Okay. Nice, bro. It's spring break for my kids. This started today. So I'm sure we'll have extra kids in the house, spending the night, everything like that. And I'm gonna have to duck off up here in my office, hiding from all the kids. Let me see which accounts I'm rotating today. Izzy is. Good morning, sir. Hopefully you're feeling well today. 2 more minutes, I'll give you my market breakdown and wherever all the points are at that I'm looking at. And we'll just keep moving from there. Let some more folks jump on in here. Good morning, Rob. What's up, Jay? Good morning. Yo, I love that. I may try rescuing one of my funded accounts today. I'm not sure yet. Market has moved really well. I have one of my accounts in drawdown from 2 days ago when I got chopped. I haven't traded it since, just so that way I'm waiting for the right market conditions to rescue it. So hopefully today I could base hit some money into that account, pull it back from that drawdown. If not, we got multiple funded accounts for trading today, so no pressure, no pressure. All right, I'm just gonna look at this chart here and tell you what I'm looking for today. So right now, gentlemen, we're sitting right below this pivot point. The pivot point's currently sitting at 67875. 67875 for the pivot directly above us. That pesky little VWAP, that VWAP sitting down there at 578.50. 578.50. The close, 24,568.50. I think I said the VWAP wrong. The VWAP is 578.75. The close from yesterday's 568.50. And the 21 EMA sitting right below our current candle. And that's sitting right around 669.50. 669.50. We do have news at 10 o'clock today. So, like always, I'm waiting the first 15 minutes. So, I'm going to try executing a trade from 9:45 to like 9:55. I want to try getting at least one trade place in that time frame if the move is there. As it sits, we're above the VWAP, so I'll be looking most likely for some bull flags first since we're above that VWAP. But we got the overnight low all the way down there at 397. So if we want to head on down, your boy won't be complaining. If we want a rocket ship, guess what? Your boy's not going to be complaining. I don't care what direction we're moving in. As long as we're getting clean moves today, that's all I care about. Because today's Friday. I ain't trying to push it on a Friday going to the weekend. Because whenever I'm in the week on a red day, the whole weekend, I'm just thinking about the trade I took that put me in the red. So we're going to patiently wait today and take what we can get. Ready to make a couple dollars. I need some smoney today. Fix that actually. We got 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left for market open here. And your boy's been itching a trade since last night. So when this market opens, no, I'm not taking a trade right away. Waiting the first 15. But once I'm fully cleared, best believe it's going to be on like Donkey Kong. That used to be a fun game back in the day, not going to lie. Tonight, we got the Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time. We're going to vibe up. We're talking trading. We're talking life and everything in between. So make sure you tune in. I probably won't preach as much as like I did last night. But last night, I had to show y'all that it doesn't take much to make tons of money with trading. So if you missed last night, definitely do the playback. Skip the first 30 minutes because the first 30 minutes we were just chilling, vibing. Then at 10 o'clock last night, I went into a little speechy speech. Your boy had slides, everything like that. You know what I'm saying? So check that out because I'm sure it helped all those that were watching last night. Less than a minute 30 now for market open. Less than a minute 30. This weekend, I got to design some shirts that I could put on Printify for all those that want legacy shirts. And I'm going to have two different styles of legacy. So I'm going to have the community shirts only for the community. And then for the YouTube, I'm going to have another legacy style shirt that you guys can get as well. So Should be fun. Look at that 5-minute candle right there. That 5-minute candle's looking interesting. Not gonna lie. Because normally right before market opens, we get a couple candles that show us what the market may want to do at market open. Because we got that VWAP down there currently sitting 580. Woo! Right through that pivot point. Market's open. Stay safe, boys. Stay safe. What's up, Tom? Good morning, sir. Starting back over again. Rinse and repeat, bro. Rinse and repeat. Let's see. I got 15. I got 14 minutes now. Wait. First minute is sometimes the most difficult minute to wait. But here we go. Yeah, lost my fun. I guess I broke a rule. What rule did you break, Time? What rule did you break? Let me check our audio because I have not done that yet. Let me do something so I don't try trading yet. Music kind of bumping a little bit. I may drop that down just slightly. Let me mute myself. Alrighty. Has anyone taken a trade yet? Has anyone taken a trade yet? That's the $1 million question right now. Because if you have, you up 300. Good job, Rob. Good job, bro.
3 stacks of bills, biatch.
Good morning, Steve, aka Draco, aka Moose's compadre, aka
Brenda G. aka Jimmy T.
Jimmy T. Whatever you want to go by today, sir. Good morning.
AKA Trey Sheik, motherfucker.
Right now, it's not really moving.
Yeah, I'm actually, I did some overnight trading, so I brought my computer down. It's coming back up. I'm looking at your screen.
Oh, is this going to be a big old candle right here to push up to that overnight high? What's up, Warrior? Very slow. This last Friday, it was doing the same thing. We've had some weird market opens lately where it's just been extremely slow.
I'm surprised at like the opening ranges we've seen where it's like 40. It's like, okay.
Yeah.
But we're also getting further into like, when are we going to do the switcheroo to the next?
That probably will be in like another couple weeks, potentially.
Well,
Potentially.
In a couple of weeks, we'll be hitting the wall, right?
Yeah, once my trading view switches over, because it does it automatically. Once that one switches over, then I'll rotate.
WKGP, Orlando's slowest jam, coming at you live.
You know, I want something smooth and calm today. Like you
said it better than anybody. And like I could see, like listening to like you were saying, you were trying to listen to hip hop, but that's like edging you up, where it's like you're like listening to like heavy rock or something. You're like ready to hit that button even more. So this kind of chills you. So I totally get it.
Yeah, I gotta have something chill for these morning the night streams we be pumping, but the morning streams we need even keeled.
In the morning streams, if you're listening to some slamming hip hop and it's like the bass is kicking in and stuff, it's probably harder to like just say, I'm gonna wait. You know, I want to get in on this shit. I'm a baller, motherfucking. Look at my white collar.
All right, so we just had a little bear flag right there. Just had a little bear flag on that 5 minute. I got 10 more minutes to actually be able to trade, but that was a bear flag right there. Good morning, BP. I attempted to fix my sleep schedule. Okay, what time did you go to bed last night, BP? Let's see how much you were working on it.
He said an attempt. He didn't say he did. Give him a break.
So we have one bear flag already. So that's, oh wow, BP. Okay, 12:30, 1 a.m. More power to you. Better than me. Last night I went to bed like at 2 something. And I woke up refreshed and energized. My allergy med's finally working, finally. Let's see here. Right now, we got that VWAP below us. I honestly, that 588.75, I feel like we're going to go down, touch that VWAP. That's what I'm feeling. That's what I'm thinking. I'd like us to build another flag just to give us extra confirmation. Ule, good evening, sir. Hopefully you're doing swell today. BP, you're a wild man, bro. Well, you're still crazy young, so staying up till 4:35. I was doing that all the way till like I was like 29, 30. So I get it. I'd be watching like Game of Thrones, everything like that. Late night just binge watching. So I get it. I get it. Crypto market is up. That's good news. Let me see how much I made in my Robinhood account since crypto's up. Now I'm curious. Let's see here. Crypto is up. You gotta buy the dips. I be preaching, buy the dips, hold the rips. Bro, if XRP hits $3, you know what I'm saying? If XRP hits $3, your boy's on an island. I've been on full tilt. Bro, if you feel like you're on full tilt at 9:38 a.m., bro, walk away.
Yeah, walk away.
Walk away. It's not worth it today, fam. Honestly, it's not worth it. Good morning. My Canadian brothers finally in the chat. Finally, people. Finally, I can start trading. Like, Brett's here, so we can officially trade. Brett, I hope you're having a great morning so far. Salute to you. Appreciate you tuning in, fam. I am ready doing Give Me Wisdom. No full port Friday today, all right? Wisdom for the day. No full port Friday. Smooth. H bar? No clue what H bar is. I'm a trader, but not like I don't know everything. You know what I'm saying? I don't know everything.
Well, you see, like you do know what you know, because there's some people that are like, it's like every day they're trying another direction, another move, another system. Dwayne's not about that.
You heard it from the man himself. Dwayne's not about that. We'll take it. Let me turn this fan off. I'm pretty cold up here. All right, let me start doodling because my fingers are getting itchy. I don't know if that ever happens to y'all, but my fingers start getting itchy. The closer and closer we get to 9:45, my fingers get itchy. I want to trade. I want to execute a trade. Me personally, I would like the bulls to push above this pivot point, and then we build a bear flag, staying above the pivot. I got less than 5 minutes now, less than 5 more minutes to be able to actually trade. So now I gotta start looking for moves I would potentially want to take. Good bulls. Go ahead. Push up a little bit more. Let's clear some of these wicks. Previous candle wicks here. And then build a bull flag. And then show me the mo. And we're going to take it. H bar, a good coin to hold. Okay, I'll check you out, Smooth. As long as you're not setting me up for failure, bro. I'm going to check it out. Oh, Nightbot dropping wisdom. Discipline over emotions. Follow the plan. Respect the risk. Execute like a professional. I like that. I like that, Nightbot. Good job, Nightbot. That's a good robot.
Wait a second. That sounds like something you might have programmed. But I mean, the deal is you put out that video and it was awesome, man. It hit on everything. And there's a lot of people say, I know that, but to hear it again is, and hear it all in one place, that's huge.
Well, I'm glad you felt like it was awesome. How I gotta pick your brain since it's not 9:45 yet. How is the editing on that one?
There's only one criticism I have of it.
Okay.
Not to criticize is you're fading your audio with the video. So like in between transitions, you'll notice sometimes the line is getting cut down, like faded out.
Yeah.
So you don't need to I would just unhook your audio and then drag it out a little bit, or just make the shot a little longer if you want that dissolve to hit before the cut. But other than that, it was perfect. I mean, it was just like it was on. The location was beautiful, and that's like an easy fix. Now, I know there's a lot of people that say there's plugins, we could go crazy, but I mean, you hit it on the root of things. And it was like you let the talking speak for itself. You know what I mean? Like sometimes you could get so wacky with look at what I'm putting on it that it takes away. But that was excellent, man.
Awesome.
Excellent.
Hey,
we'll
take
it. I mean, just like getting through the patience and then like the over trading. FOMO, who hasn't been there? Revenge trading, greed. Getting confident, because that's honestly what I've been kind of trying to overcome, just having that confidence. Let's jump in the pool.
Yeah.
The pool might seem like it's a little cold, but if you're sitting there just like with your toe in the water, you're not getting in. So then trusting, and it just like once you have your system, trusting in that system and getting out of the way.
Yep.
So I mean, there was like no part of that where I was like, okay, what's he doing? Well, you know what I mean, right?
No, 100%.
It's like this is filler. That's what I mean. None of it was filler. There's people that say I know all that, but I mean, if they say they don't need to hear it again, they're lying.
Yeah, I needed to hear it again.
I wanted it more. You know what I mean? I've taken all that shit.
Yeah.
Because wherever you're at, it's like you got to hear that word again, because it's like you might know it in your heart. You might know it in your skull. You might know it, and it might be in your notebook, but you need to hear it again.
No, facts. You gotta refresh yourself. You gotta refresh yourself.
Trade, guys. 600 on that trade.
Oh, there he is.
Lucky G. I haven't even taken a trade. And look at this. We already pushed through the overnight high right there.
We're definitely going north, aren't we?
I was hoping for a bull flag. Guess that didn't want to happen. It just took off.
We got a NASA rocket instead. How's that?
No, we won't say NASA rocket. Not yet. Not yet. Maybe we go up to that 25,000. Then we got a little rocket. Rob's up $500. Good job, Rob. Times, you gotta take the pressure off, bro. You gotta take the pressure off. Stop putting so much pressure on yourself to perform.
We're gonna build a bull flag right here on the 5-minute, and then you're gonna take it to the moon.
Well, it's just funny because it's making this big old range. So let me give you guys the low of this range because we're not going back down to it right now. 611. 611 is the low for the 15-minute range today. Okay. I got 20 seconds till I'm officially cleared to trade. And your boy needs to see a flaggy flag. Still pumping. Woo! No greed. No, yep, no greed, bro. Lock in your profit. Rotate to the next account. If you're on a funded account, rotate to an eval. Work on an eval. So you're still getting the reps without risking funded funds. Just saying.
Hey, what's the high of that range, brother?
The high of the range, 79725. 79725 is the high of the 15-minute range today. Your boy's officially cleared to trade. So technically, we did break out of the range already. So I would be hoping that we come down, retest the range, and then we keep pushing up. All right, here's the retest. Let's see if this gives us our bull flag as well. And we will gladly take it. I don't know what that was, but in my head, it looked cooler than it actually was. So.
Is there any news? There's news today, right?
We got news at 10. News at 10 o'clock today.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir. I'll actually jump over there real quick while we're building this flag. We got Jolt's job openings at 10 o'clock. Oh, Nelly. Oh, Nelly. Give me a nice bull flag. We got that selling pressure on that 5-minute candle. We broke out of the range and then we came back down, retested. That's good because that happens like 90% of the time. 90 to 95% of the time, we always retest the range before we continue pushing. We got 11 seconds left on this candle. Let's see what the next candle is. Hopefully it's a green candle to take us higher. Watch my Renkos like a hawk. Are we going to keep building structure here or are we getting ready to push?
Push it. Let's build some structure.
That's what it's looking like. We got that selling pressure on that 5-minute. Getting ready to flip that candle there.
Well, yeah, look at that.
Yep. Let's see if the bulls step in. But possibly go back down, test that overnight high 737.50.
Yeah, I set up like a hypertrophy routine like I've been talking about,
Mhm.
and I just finished a month of it, never missed a workout. So just giving you that.
Awesome. Good job. Good job.
And I'm hitting some personal best in my whole life. So I mean that's how hard I'm pushing right now.
Oh, that's awesome. The discipline you show off the charts will show up on the charts.
That's it. But I mean I'm only 23, so I got a lot of time. I actually got to buy like a bigger bar, so it's
Okay.
So I mean, it's like I'm slaying. Not trying to be a hero, you know. What I mean, I'm just, but I mean, it's like it's for myself. It's because it's like a straight discipline thing.
100%. Here comes that overnight high. There we go, tapping the overnight high. That's where I felt like we may pull back down to.
If Dr. Moose was here, he might say retracement.
Well, for me now, I'll drop this line down right there. If this wants to be a flag,
okay, I'll give you that. That makes sense.
but that overnight high has to hold. Well, I don't want us dropping below that overnight high. Coming back down, tested it once again. Almost. All right, testing that overnight high again. If we go below this overnight high, it will make me less looking for a bull flag. I will say that. Not trying to jump in on a trade when we're building structure or getting ready to negate a flag. Not trying to invalidate it and jump in for it. So just patiently waiting. Because I'll do this right here as well. There we go. So we pop above my yellow line, top line. We're going up. We build a little bear flag right here and go lower. We're going down. And that's how easy it is to doodle. We did get buying pressure on that 5 minute. Let's go, market. Give us something, Betsy. It's Friday. We trying to get paid.
Yes. Let's ride. Let's destroy.
We have 7 minutes, less than 7 minutes now for the 10 o'clock news. Less than 7 minutes for the 10 o'clock news. Keep that in mind, folks. Want to keep y'all as safe as possible in the markets today. That was a spike there, which I don't like the spikes from yesterday.
I remember you had quite a monologue.
We almost tapped the high of the 15-minute range there. We missed it by like a tick.
Yeah, that's pretty damn close.
We're sitting right on my yellow line here on the 2 minute. $20 seconds left on the 5 minute candle as well. Let's see what we get here.
We're locking in on that last 5 minutes.
Yep. Yeah, not liking how the Rinkos are dancing.
Speaking of dancing, how are you spending your weekend?
Just gonna be vibing up because kids are out for a spring break.
Yeah, that's part of the reason why I'm asking, because you're like, with you and kids in spring break, it's game on.
They got friends coming over for spring break, so we're gonna probably just be doing random stuff, to be real. What's up, Rick? You're
My wife is doing something weird outside, so I have to go check because she's here, but she hasn't come in the house. But I'll be back, and I know it's going to be the biggest move of the day.
Yep. Building liquidity for red folder news. Yep, 10 o'clock we got the news. 10 o'clock we got the news. We haven't gotten good momentum, so I have not taken a trade yet. Up $1,000 for the day. Slow and steady, bro. Slow and steady.
You just made a quick ban, Duane?
No. Someone in the chat. Someone in the chat.
Oh, wow, like, damn.
There. Listen, I'm not trading this. What's up, Rick?
Man, I made 1,800, man.
Hey, go ahead, boy. Go ahead. Mr. Fake Name.
What you talking about?
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, Mitch.
How y'all doing?
Vibing, bro. Straight vibing.
Good to hear. Good to hear.
Oh, you changed your name, Silk, to Draco?
No, Draco's Steve.
That's Steve.
Oh, there's Silk. I see him.
Yeah. Who's fake name?
Oh, that's Rick.
No, that's not me.
I hear that somebody made 1,800.
Draco must be Steve.
Yeah, dude.
That's it. That's it.
Got that 80 point.
Nice work. Nice work.
Yeah.
Well, hope you guys get blessed with some more. Take it easy.
All right, man.
See ya.
I'm still flat. I have not taken a trade yet because right now we're
3 minutes left to 10 o'clock, guys. 3 minutes left.
Yeah. That's
The news
at
come
this
out.
point, I think I'm chilling just in case that drops early, unless there's a big move, like something quick.
Hey, the real market opens at 10:30 because the market still be acting funky due to the time change.
True. Pay attention to Bitcoin, guys. There's a big correlation between NQ and Bitcoin. Just mark up your plug. Check it out.
Hey, but Duane, I'm right there with you, brother. I'm only up $70 on the day.
Oh, you're better than me. Silk is better than me at trading, boys. I'm zero. Honestly, I just haven't seen a move yet that I want. And knowing that we have 10 o'clock news, the closer we get, the less I want to take a trade. Because God forbid somehow the news gets out early. God forbid the market manipulates something right before 10, and then I'm stuck like Chuck. No, thank you.
Loan accounts on their door evals today.
You know, this overnight high is trying to hold the market on the Nasdaq, which is nice to see. Here comes 10 o'clock. Less than a minute now. Less than a minute. We got that 21 EMA right below us as well. 721.75. If we lose this overnight high, who knows what's going to happen? Less than 30 seconds, less than 30 seconds, 20 seconds left now, 20 seconds left for the news to come out. Stay safe if you're trading the news. That's all I'm going to say. We lost that overnight high there as well. Tapped that 21 EMA. News is out. News is out. You think he'll drop? Well, let's see what we get. I feel like this is a big old bull flag on the 2 minute. Just one big structured bull flag. But that's just my eyes. I could be wrong. This is not financial advice. There is risk to trading. Believe it or not, who knew? I'll bring this right there. So if we drop below that yellow line, maybe I take the short keyword maybe. Because I'm not bullish or bearish today. We have a lot of selling pressure right here. But we got that 21 EMA right below us. Yeah, I hate taking shorts or longs into the 20 to hit the 21 EMA because we like to bounce around them. Let's see if this candle puts us right through my yellow line with momentum. Come on, Betsy. Come on, girl. Close that. 580 on that trade. We just hit the middle of the 15-minute range as well. So that's another reason why I'm like, let me just get out of this. Because I don't like diddling in the middle of the 15-minute range. Let me rotate to my next account here. Which one I want? We'll trade a Lucid account real quick. Funded. We're right in the middle of this 15-minute range right now, gentlemen. Right in the middle here. So patience is key right now. Patience is key. Let's see if we stay below this 21 EMA since it's currently above us. Let's see if we stay below that 21 EMA. Let me move this line down here as well. Maybe we get another bear flag. That candle has no bottom wick. This current candle has no bottom wick. So that's an important detail you have to consider. The 5 minute has a bottom wick. The 2 minute does not. All right, tapping the 21 EMA right there. Tapping that 21 EMA. All right, we're above the 21 EMA currently for a split second there. Back below it, now above it. On this 5 minute, it looks like we may be trying to build a bear flag on the 5. Patience, boys, patience. No reason to risk it for the biscuit. Wait for your setups and execute without a shadow of a doubt.
Potential bear flag on that 2 minute. Potential.
I did not get filled. I did re-enter. We tapped that 21 EMA, rejected off of it instantly there. Come on, Betsy. Let's see, we flush it down to the pivot. Close that one. 490 on that trade. I was looking for that pivot. I feel like we still will hit the pivot, but I'm not risking it for the biscuit, like I already said. Let's rotate to the next funded. I'm gonna wait till we hit the pivot at this point to see what we get. But I would be targeting that pivot. Travis, it happens, bro. Good morning. Good morning, sunshine. Welcome to the stream, bro. We missed that pivot by like a few ticks there. Yeah, we literally pivots at 770, 67825, 67850 actually. We got all the way down at 680.75. There's the pivot tab. There we go. Let's see how we react now. I would like to see us build another bear flag. Short the bounces. Good morning, S-Dub. Let me move this yellow line down. I want to get below that pivot if we're taking another short. I do not want to take a short above the pivot. It has to be below the pivot. Why do I do that? Because the price around pivot points likes to bounce around. So you want to get away from it slightly to execute your trade. A 30 or 40 point bounce. Ooh. From your lips to God's ears, fam. Did not like that little dance right there on how the wrinkles just moved. Don't like that type of movement. Come on, Betsy. Not liking the dance right now. Not liking this dance. We got the VWAP below us as well.
Over in like 40 minutes. Good.
I want to get out of this trade. Let's see if I could, if we come down just enough, I may just get ready to kill this one. Not liking the movement. Come on, Betsy. Took that 340 right there, but I don't like the movement close to this pivot. I don't like the pivot, how we're moving around this pivot point. But we'll gladly take that. Already up over $1,000 in funded accounts today.
Yeah, we need to break free of that pivot for sure.
Yeah, that's why I was just trying to get out anywhere green. We do have that VWAP below us, but your boy wasn't liking how we're moving.
Well, I was in that for a while too. It just seemed like I was able to get out green, but
Very buoyant. We'll say buoyant.
yep.
You shouldn't get so excited.
What?
Who's excited? Who was overly excited?
Everybody's a critic online, you know that.
Oh, 100%.
Your screen is so black.
Oh,
You're switching. That's
thank
cool.
you. Not the host. Gotcha. Oh, time to rotate our playlist. Time to rotate our playlist. We got tons of selling pressure. We got tons of selling pressure right now. I'm targeting the VWAP currently. $225 on that trade right there.
I was about to say, Dwayne, get out.
But I was targeting that VWAP, right? I was targeting the VWAP.
Yeah, you're right.
I took the profit. I took the profit. And I'll rotate to the next one. Hopefully all you guys are staying safe in the markets today. Because believe it or not, you don't need to make a lot of money to make tons of money from trading. Which is crazy to say. Honestly, at this point for me, I'm going to wait to see how we react off the VWAP. This is the Nasdaq. This is the Nasdaq, sir. Let's see how we react off the VWAP there. Patiently waiting up over $1,000 for the day. We're chilling. We're chilling like a villain. Not risking it. Not even putting up some certain funded accounts up to trade them, because why blow an account? It's in one of my fundeds is in drawdown from the other day, but I'm not trading it until I see the movement I truly want. And that's another way to keeping funded accounts alive. You don't trade them until you have the right market conditions. Mind blown, I know. Right up to that pivot point, we did not touch the VWAP. We did not touch the VWAP. The VWAP is the volume weighted average price. Most retail traders use it. So if they use them, hey, I might as well use it too. Coming up to the 21 EMA there. Coming up to the 21 EMA. Yes, sir. That is correct. Short it, baby. Oh, that's the, I don't know if I'm not feeling a short right now. I'm scared. I'm scared, boss. Because we never touched that VWAP, and this pivot point has been holding us up here. So that's why I'm not willing to just short. Because I don't know, bro. I know we could all Friday, full port Friday, but you know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to full port it. Short it? No. No, the devil's a liar. The devil's a liar. We still have barely a bottom wick, so that's a good sign. But that previous candle, look at that buying pressure. From London, well, welcome, sir. Watch and see. Hey, I put my yellow line. I moved it over. So if we come down to the yellow line, I'll take it, all right? That would be my short. It has to go through the yellow line. Till then, I'm hands off. I'm not clicking the mouse with my toes, nothing. I'm hands off until we go down to the yellow line. Have you guys got a Telegram? No Telegram, but I do have a private trading community. Nightbot's been posting the link. It's also in the description. You could join completely for free. So come on over, bro. Come join the Legacy Wealth Society. We even got shirts. You know, that's how you know it's real. Come join us. It's the community for traders, by traders, making sure everyone's winning. Is it free? Yes, you could join the community for free. There are paid options as well, but those are only for traders that are trying to maximize their profits, everything like that. Like trading no clue what Trading Cafe is. This will flush. All right. Look, it looks like a bear flag, bro. It does look like a bear flag. But I want to come down to my yellow line if I'm going to take it. Oh, buddy. Yes, sir. Oh, buddy. We go to that pivot point again. So, oh, buddy. Don't get stopped out. Folks, I'm having a joyous time today with y'all. Hopefully you guys are having fun too. What a time to be alive. Yeah, look at that buying wick on that 2-minute candle. I feel like we may start trying to rip. Let me bring this line down here.
That wick is freaking incredible.
Exactly. We get through that pivot point.
You got a flag on both sides of the coin.
$80 right there. Quick little scalp. They lured y'all. Nah, I'm watching flaggy flags. That's all I'm looking for. I told you this pivot point has a lot of stuff going on with it right now. You know what I'm saying? The VWAP's coming closer to it. The 21 EMA's coming closer to it. We would need a solid flush through my bottom yellow line for me to take a short. If not, I'm waiting to see if this is going to be a bull flag right here. If the flush comes, bro, I'm ready for it, bro. If the flush comes, we'll take it. What do you think about 2% are profitable? That's only because they haven't mastered the psychology yet. Welcome, sir. Even if I'm not trading, I'm watching you trade. Hey, Tom, I'll take that, bro. Appreciate you tuning in and vibing with us. we ripping in your opinion? We gotta see. I got lines on both sides of the chart right there. So if we break either one with momentum, your boy's jumping in. And that's how the cookie crumbles.
Oh my goodness. Hey Duane, I did send you texted you a article on your phone. It's not spam. It's something from me. So it came in. I know we're trading right now, but it came. I sent it yesterday. I just want to let you know. It's like I'm not sending you random stuff any more than I normally would.
Let's see what you sent me, sir.
It verifies something for you. It's for sparkling water.
Hey, could be better than still water. Hey, I think it is. Tastes way better too. It's bubbly. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, they say it gives you like a heightened thing. So maybe I need to consider it now.
If you're right, would you mind to explain why?
Hey, look at your upper line. I want to be going
Yep.
through it.
Let's see if we get that momentum through it. We got that 21 EMA up there though. So we got that 21 EMA I want to break through as well.
And there's a Camarillo pivot up there too. So it's like in between the EMA and the other pivot. So it's like a lot. But if it breaks through all that, it could fly.
Yep. I honestly want to get through this 21 EMA. 21 EMA above the pivot here, sitting at 688.50. We get through there with momentum. Just locked in a little bit more profit there. But we got the middle of the 15-minute range. Like, we got a lot of stuff happening in a small area right now. We got a lot of stuff happening in a tight area. Appreciate you giving me insight. Were you talking to me or someone else? Because I know y'all having conversations in the chat. Oh, buddy's right, S-Dub. Oh, buddy. This is where traders make their money, by waiting patiently for their move. Back above that pivot point. That 5-minute candle showing some selling pressure. Watch the bull trap. Possibly. I'm looking for momentum right now. The Bears would have to flush it very aggressively for this to be a solid bear flag. I just don't see the momentum on the bear side yet. Because we got those buying wicks on the previous candles. Watching those buying wicks and selling wicks helps you trade better, believe it or not. Because if you want to take a short, but there's a massive buying wick, don't do that. That's bad for business. We're trying to do this smart, folks. Here comes that 21 EMA. There we go. What? That's crazy. That's crazy. I closed at 240. I got like 50 bucks. That's when you just want to smack somebody. My bad, folks. My bad. We're above the 21 EMA. We got the middle of that 15-minute range up there as well. I'll wait till we either get through that middle or, well, I'm not going to try taking another trade right here with how it just played me. There we go. Just add a little bit more there. Honestly, what we got next? Well, we got that overnight high. We got the overnight high above us. I would like to see us build a little flag here. I probably won't trade this account anymore for the day. Just rotate off this one.
1270 on that trade.
Go ahead. You made some. Travis made 1,300 on funded. I love to see y'all winning. Oh, let's go. That's how I like going to the weekend.
I'm done for the day.
I'm done for the day. I'm done for the day.
That's it. That's it. I'm sorry. That's my Friday. That's it. That is it. Yo, I waited. I was like, bro. I jumped in at 88.
Okay, nice, bro.
I jumped in from 688. I mean, yeah, 24, 688.
Good job. Good job, G. Good job.
Hey, from what you showed me, the market always repeats itself. So I waited till it got back to that area. Then I was like, yeah, where the momentum is, started going up.
And that's it. That's all we're doing. G, did it feel difficult?
No.
Okay. So trading is not hard, boys. We make it hard. You wait for your move and you execute.
It's a mental thing, man. Psychological, like literally, like.
Yeah.
Just like you say, base hits, pick out your levels, and just wait. Be patient. If it doesn't touch your level, then you don't make the move.
And that's it. That's why using the doodles, the lines, everything, it helps you because it's like, if we don't hit this line, I'm not taking it. And that's it. And you don't feel like you lost if you don't hit the line because you didn't jump in the market. But you're giving yourself mentally something to look at other than just seeing the up and downs. You're watching the line. It's like, okay, we break this line with momentum, I'm in. If we don't break this line, I'm not taking it. Coming on back down to the 21 EMA. There's the 21 EMA tap right there. Right back down to the pivot. Check that out. Look at that selling pressure on the 5-minute. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Tapping that pivot point. And honestly, I just seeing that now. Let's see. Let me get some more lines here so I could draw. Oh. I don't know. My eyes may be deceiving me slightly. But on the higher time, when I pull back a little bit, that's looking like a big bear flag. That's crazy. I closed out at like 200, got $90. Breaking through my yellow line there. Let's see if we get some more follow through down to the VWAP. This is an eval. I'm done trading my fundeds. Yeah, no, that's not my landscaper.
All right, fellas, man. I'm about to go hoop, man. See you guys.
All right, G. Have a good day, bro.
All right, man.
Just got stopped out on that one, but not mad about it. Ooh, should I do? No. I already said I'm done trading funded because I have not traded some of them. So let me not tip myself with the good old time. Let me not do that. Show the chart. I was rotating. Tim. It's moving. It's moving. Namin Khan, not exactly sure what you've been talking about in the chat. But this may be another little bear flag right here coming up, possibly. But we're real tight close to this pivot, so. And look at that 5-minute wick. Short the bounces. You can only short them for so long because eventually it ain't going to be a bounce no more. It's going to be a rocket ship. Just saying. Eventually that play won't work. Yep. Slow and steady, bro. Slow and steady. No, it really is, BP. I think I'm going to be done actually executing trades for the day. Put $1,000 in my funded accounts. I want to trade one of my other fundeds. But I'm like, do I do that? Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. $600. If we get a good move, I'll take it. I'm rotating. There we go. Yeah, trade your other. Listen, I got a funded account drawdown. I'm not going to YOLO. But if we get the move I want, I'll take it. All right, we went through the VWAP there. Coming down to the lowest 15-minute range, 611. 611's the low. Up today's 15-minute range here. Here comes the flush. I would be expecting us to build another little flag right here off that strong red pole that we just had to go lower. Hey, God, you should get out of here. Be nice, folks. Be nice. State your claim or sit down. Jesus, y'all go in with each other in the chat today. What are you trading? This is the Nasdaq. This is the Nasdaq, sir. Welcome. Right here at the low of this 15-minute range. Right here at the low of the 15-minute range. Trying to give the main give the main character energy. Right now we got the close from yesterday, 568.75. 568.75. Coming down to this close from yesterday. Coming down to the close from yesterday here. What's up, Kane? There's that close right through it. Ooh, Nellies. Ooh, Nellies. Are we going to go down there, take out last night's low? Your boy would like to see another flag. Hey, go ahead, Travis. Go ahead. Yeah, next week, BP, next week, bro. Let's see here. Yeah, I already traded that one. Well, we're getting ready. What it looks like we're trying to do here. It looks like we're trying to build a little bull flag. I meant bear flag, bear flag. And while that's going on, let me get me another Lucid account because I want to keep trading while the market is moving somewhat. As soon as this shows it's activated, I will disconnect, reconnect.
And I was down like 460 on that, and then on that retest going back up on the quick snipe, got back up to 365.
Hey, let's go. Have a good one, BP.
Oh, bye, BP. Oh, did Steve leave?
Did he? Yeah, he left. Him and G both left.
So just come on, Brad, Silk, and Duane. The final.
I need this account to hurry up because I want to switch over. S-Dub, smart man, take your money and run. Take your money and run. I'm currently, let's see, how many would this be on Lucid? I've been working on, I have currently 2 funded Lucids.
Let's go.
I have 1 EVA that's going to be getting passed on Monday, which is solid. Well, actually, I got to make more money on that because of the consistency. Because of the consistency on that one. I got to put $37.50 in because I made too much money yesterday. Now, this one should be active as well. There we go. Let me disconnect, reconnect. Yeah, I'm missing this move right now, which is slightly annoying. Let's see if I can catch a piece of it. $11. We got this buying wick sitting here on this candle.
Also, watch out. We got the close to the 1 hour candle coming up too.
Thank you, Mitch.
8 minutes.
Yep. 11 o'clock is coming. What's up, Unc? Hopefully you've been doing well, bro. Come on, Betsy. Let's see what we get here. Come on, Betsy. Come on, girl. Show me some money, honey. All right. 270 right there. Travis, base hits, bro. Listen, base hits pays, fam. Base hits freaking pay. They pay more than swinging for the fence, bro. And that's real.
Ryan, in your opinion, I've been trying to figure this out for my funded. What's a good base hit just to set person, like for a funded? I was thinking like $500, so that's average for me lately with things. Like easy 500 is not impossible.
Honestly, it varies on each person, right?
Yeah.
So you gotta figure out what's the easiest amount of money you can make. Is it 200? Is it 500? Whatever your amount is that you can consistently hit each day, that's your base hit.
Gotcha.
It's the amount that doesn't take any real effort from you with your trading.
Yeah, it doesn't cause stress.
Yeah, exactly. So we just went through my second target. No, first target. First target. That lagged. I closed it, but that was lagging. Second target to the low side, 42475. 42475. I would like us to build another flag personally. And I got tagged in after the fact, which is slightly annoying. Let's see if I can get out of this one without losing too much on it. If I could get out green, that'd be great. If not, I'll keep this one tight. Come on, just a little bit more, get me out. It keeps coming right down to my entry. It's playing with your boy right now. This is craziness. I just need a quick swipe through it so I could close.
Duane, not me trying to fade you going back up to kitchen.
That's crazy. That's crazy, Silk. It literally be your own people.
Bro, I've got a sell order waiting up there for it to retrace back up, tap me in, and go back down.
Well, it tapped me in, not where I want to get tapped in at. Dang. When Mitch is fading me, that's when you should know not to trade anymore. You know what I'm saying? When Mitch is fading me, that means I need to stop trading for the day.
Oh, man. I just need a little pop up, tap me in, and it can continue flushing back down.
Well, it may not let you in. Ha! I got out, Mitch. Ha!
Let's go now. Tap me in. Tap me in. Come on.
All right, now tap Mitch in, market. Now tap market in. Mitch in. What? Have a good night, Skunks.
And then we can head back down to your target down there at the 42475.
What do you mean you can't trade till you get your banking figured out? Yeah, we're making a little bit of monies today. It's 11 o'clock. Oh, fraud. Oh, that sucks, bro. That sucks. Honestly, I was ready to take another trade. We're getting ready to make a new low.
Is it raining or cloudy up there for you, Duane?
No, it's not that I think. No, we're looking pretty clean today.
It's a very gray, cool day.
Yesterday was a great day for us.
Yesterday was hot.
Travis, I should sit out as well, bro.
Tap me in. Damn.
That's what happens when you try fading me, bro. You don't get tapped in.
Hey, the moment I move this down to go further down, it's gonna go right back up.
Yeah, I'm gonna call it as well. I'm done. Put solid money in the Lucid accounts. Put money in my Tradeify funded account as well. We'll take it. We will definitely take it. And we're gonna just keep it moving. That's it. Oh, I accidentally clicked the button? Oh, God.
That's crazy.
That is crazy.
How'd that happen?
I thought it was hovering over the close.
Oh, okay. Mm-hmm.
No, like, swear to God. Like, now I'm like, just want to get out of this trade as quick as possible.
Now it's gonna tap me in.
Don't say that, Mitch. Please, no. Don't listen to Mitch, folks. Market, do not listen to Mitch.
Oh, there you go.
Woo! I made profit. That was a scary thing. Jesus. Yeah, we done at 11. We out. One more lightweight, baby. Lightweight, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. There we go.
Lightweight, baby.
Lightweight, baby. Let's go.
I need some shock.
How much you up for the day? Honestly, that's a good question.
$3,000.
That is a good question. Let's see here. No, not that much today. Listen, boys, I wish it was that much today. Let's see here. Wait, what? Hold on, folks. Just got distracted. I don't recall that, but okay. All right, whatever. But let me add this up now. 742.
Your screen's black.
Yeah, I'm adding everything up.
Okay.
Not trying to show my account information.
No, we don't want your money. We don't want your money.
So, on the day, I need less than just over $50 to make it $3,000 a day. So, not too shabby. Not too shabby.
$50 to make it $3,000 a day. Is that what you said?
Yeah.
I
So,
was close. I was close.
you were. Let me do this real quick. You know what I'm saying? I
Don't
probably
trade it.
shouldn't.
Don't trade
I
it.
probably shouldn't, but.
Take your win and go.
Gotta step away when you're up 100%. I feel that one, bro. You ain't lying. Take your money and run. This is an eval. This is a eval, folks. So let's see what happens. Full port time. Full port time, boys.
Oh.
Got some selling pressure there.
Hey, we don't want your money, but I'll gladly take those growth accounts you got. I'll gladly take.
Don't use my entry as resistance market.
That's the focus point right there, boy. When he's looking to his right and ain't looking nowhere else, he's dialed in.
I don't know. I clicked the button, but I used my entry as like the support zone. Let's see what we get here. Come on, Betsy, give me the flushy flush. $120 right there, so that's a $3 day. Technically.
There we go.
Nice work. Let's go.
Got out just in time too. Look at that little pump up. I really need to get off the stream, but we're having too much fun right now. Whee! I would probably want us to go up there and test that first target from the 15-minute range today. $290 on that account. Let me rotate to one more, just one more, boys, and then I'll be officially done. There we go. We went up and tapped that first target, which I felt we would. Oh yeah, I'm gonna start working on the corner. Let's see how we react off this first target. I feel like we may want to keep going up slightly, but I want to see a bull flag get printed. Let me start shutting down as well because I actually got to get out of here. Way too many remotes over here. Way too many remotes. Who hates you? Snip? No one hates you, bro. Nothing but love, bro. Travis, trade an eval, fam. Trade an eval. Don't stop risking your funded, bro. You already put mad money in. It's nothing but love over here, fam.
This will be a 4K day for Duane.
No, 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 no. I cut that one. I cut that one. Right now, looks like we're trying to build a bull flag. Looks like we're trying to build a bull flag here. So that's why I just closed out because we started building this bull flag. I don't want to be in too much drawdown. This is an eval, by the way, as well. Full port Fridays. Full port Fridays.
And hey, maybe we might climb all the way back up. Bottom of the range over here.
From your lips to God's ears. Come on, Betsy. Give me some more. Give me some more. All right. So I just cleaned that up there. We'll take that. Added 410 on that one. I was in drawdown 580. I closed out. I took a L trade to just so I wasn't in drawdown anymore. But I was able to clean up, put 410 in. And with that, I'm officially done because I actually got to skedaddle. I got to get out of here. I got to run around town. So, gentlemen, it's been a pleasure like always. Hopefully you guys made some money today. If you didn't, Monday you can. Huh?
No blowing accounts here, so we good.
Hey, that's progress. That's progress.
I officially made $351 today.
Brett, you did see that. You did see that. I was negative like 580 already on the account. So I made it 1,000 plus, but only green 400 and some change. Uncle Sniff, clapping seal jewels. Appreciate you, bro. Don't know what that is. Appreciate you. I will see you guys tonight on the Traders Hangout. Be blessed, everyone. Stay safe in the markets. And with that, fellas, enjoy the rest of your day.
Have a good one, Dwayne.
Have a good weekend if I don't see you.
See ya.
Have a good weekend, fam.
All right, boys. All right, YouTube. Catch y'all tonight. Stay safe in the market, gentlemen. Be blessed.